Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the third line we have a button Disconnect. Tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. And if you select to Unpair and click at the Forget the Device button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, you need to select another button. But let's disconnect them. And as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection, but leave it at the device list, and now I can easily reconnect them. If these earbuds turn on and do not connect it with another device, you can just tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!